Alright, so we're going to be doing this rebuilder, which is the 66 Ford Thunderbird. It's already partially built. So this is sort of a modified unboxing. Most of the pieces are right here, but we're going to be doing a little bit extra with it. Here's the rest of the box. There are some pieces in there. The interior will stay the same, as I like the interior and how the original builder had an idea for it. What I may try to do is just dry brush some of the seats, give them a little bit of a used look, and I may try to do some flocking. I'm unclear yet. We're going to change out this rim for the original hubcaps. We're going to keep the vinyl roof. Probably get rid of these side ornaments here.